SpringPoint provides the tools to assist in managing your apparatus repair, sales, and service business. Our cloud-based applications are consolidated into a user-friendly software suite. The suite makes it easy to access real-time information from anywhere, whether you're on a computer or a mobile device.
It just gave everybody a way to access the system and get real up-to-date information, and it's been one of the best investments that we've made as a company.
Owners and managers are provided a personalized dashboard that provides detailed information, summary screens, and automated report and list generator, giving you the ability to pull information you want and have it emailed to you or others on a recurring basis. Track summarized or individual job costs. Give your managers scheduling and quality control tools they require. Give your office access to accounting information that allows them to analyze data and focus on the financial health of your company. Utilize tools within our mobile time clock to keep employees efficient and productive. Give your sales team the tools to maximize customer relationships while providing you reports, visibility into their activities, and the opportunity pipeline. Utilize QM Wizard to automate tasks and calculations, helping reduce human error. The SpringPoint suite helps you eliminate wasted time and effort and assists you in streamlining every process. If increasing efficiency, productivity, and profits are important to you, please give us a call at 888-382-7835 or by emailing sales@springpt.com.